Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to update Adobe Acrobat to the latest version step by step. Keeping Adobe Acrobat updated helps fix bugs, improve performance and add new features. Let's get started. First open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Click on the menu icon in the top left corner. Then go to Help. Now click on Check for Updates. Adobe Acrobat will automatically check for the latest available updates. If an update is available, Adobe Acrobat will download and install automatically. Please wait until the update process is finished. Once the update is completed, restart Adobe Acrobat to apply the changes. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.